my channel, everybody. And if this is your first time here, nice to meet you. I'm Aga Tompkins. This is not what I normally look like, I promise. I usually have bangs, that's the only difference, but everything else is the same. Thanks for joining me. Today I am a pumpkin face. That's what I decided to go for this Halloween look. Here's how I did it. Hope you enjoy watching me transform from basic girl to cool Halloween girl. Obviously, it's cool, duh. So, it's pretty cute. I'm cute, right? Check it out. And here is the final look. You're welcome, everybody. You can't laugh. Come here. My son is laughing at me from a different room because I'm funny. Gage, that's my boy. What are you gonna do? I'm your mom. How does that make you feel? By the way, the whole video that I filmed, Gage was doing schoolwork. Like there was a moment right on the other side of the table and I just like did this while my son was remote learning, and it can't be good for his brain to be, yeah, like distracted, and his teachers don't know why he looks so confused. It's because his mother's this person. Sorry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Give me some ideas. I need new ideas for other Halloween makeup looks that you want to see. Also, click the notifications button. That'll let you know every time I'm posting a new video. And hope to see you again soon. Bye, everybody. Bye. That's my scary Halloween theme music.